here, y'all. Pig versus Funky Town. I mean, damn. Flying low. Hold on, here I come. Here we go, y'all. We came right in time for the action. Let me get my mount.
Look out.
Look out, look out.
What's up, my boy?
Nothing much chilling on it. Look like I'm in time for the action. Not the Hennessy. What's up with it? Shoot, chilling on it. Yeah. About to go over here and see what Flying Low and Pig got going. See where everybody gonna bet at. Yeah.
Friday they gonna fight or no?
Friday they got a fight.
No, that's Friday.
You
wasn't here when they got that fight?
Here we go, right here. We finna go see what this talking about over here.
Look out.
Look out. Yeah.
You see that bullshit?
What happened?
When I ran James, when I knocked the black off that motherfucker, he thought James' truck was running good. But
Yeah.
come to find out, he had two bad car packs on that bitch.
Yeah.
So we just put the screws in that motherfucker.
Damn.
Hey, you know what they can't, you know what they say? Can't beat them, join them.
Hey,
James, me and James joined each other, and we put the screws in that motherfucker.
Damn.
Look at him, he's sad as a motherfucker.
Ain't knocked out.
I bet
Damn.
Hey, look right here.
It was blue.
It was blue.
Look at it, look.
It was blue. Look.
It's blue.
God
He
damn.
knocked all the blue off that rack.
Oh man.
Knock the pump. Knock that bitch down to the pump.
Damn.
Hey,
He knocked the palm off his
You
feet.
see that blue right there?
Knocked the clear coat.
hey, clear coat out that motherfucker.
That little ignorant motherfucker there just talking that ignorant ass shit because he a little ignorant son of a bitch.
Yeah.
That's why he doing that.
Well, what the hell
My truck
happened?
was spinning anyway.
Oh, it
Spinning
was.
like you make a pass in it, Quentin. You watch how it spin.
Damn, he
That's
was
on the
spinning.
He don't want
Ain't no question. Ain't no motherfucking question it's spinning. And I'm on the motor he won. You won a bullshit race. I don't give a fuck, dude. This little ignorant fucker just pumping y'all up like a little sidekick. He that little ignorant ass sidekick the guy.
Low train.
Yeah.
Low
Ignorant ass
says.
sidekick.
Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah.
Low says the ignorant
Man, fuck out.
Yeah.
That nigga mad. Hey, he talked all
Low
that
say
bullshit.
he ignorant
Hey, he talked all that
Low
bullshit.
say he
Hey, he talked
Yeah.
all that bullshit, but he mad because he got hit in his goddamn ass.
Yeah.
I'm gonna race you.
He got mad because he got hit in his ass.
You gonna do it. I'm gonna race you on my motherfucking knives, nigga.
Yeah.
You ain't nutting me up. My truck's spinning. Ain't no glue around there.
Ain't no glue over there.
Ain't nobody got no glue. Even the track don't got none.
Say, man,
Nah, but your-
we
your
on the
shit
fucking
been
street
spinning out.
time, man. Look at this shit. Hey, look at this shit, man.
Yeah.
We on the street time, and this motherfucker on the drag race. We knocked
Damn, I ain't think you was gonna spin low.
Man, like a motherfucker on the motor on this
Low,
nigga.
you must have heat the tires.
Man, boo, I'm gonna let you make a pass in my truck, man.
God damn.
You do a
Get up
good
there
burn
with
out
the
there.
same
You
race.
gonna
Yeah,
burn out there.
I'm gonna let you drive on the motor. You can tear your ass.
Okay,
No,
yeah, I do
wait,
it with
no, hell no.
Give me the ball out of there.
Shit,
No,
I'll bet
hold
your ass
on.
Give me the
again.
ball
Let's make
again.
sure this bitch hooked, man. I think I got some sticky pickle in the. I got some sticky pickle in the car.
Well, make a pass.
Oh, I got the sticky pickle right here, man. I got the sticky pickle. We finna go see what they talking about right here in these trucks. Yeah, we gotta see what these trucks doing.
I don't think they doing shit.
We got Diamond back in here with them braids, y'all. She got them braids back in here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
all on plot.
Shit. You don't understand what plotting is? See what I mean by ignorant?
Yeah.
You a motherfucking faithful
But I got
sidekick.
my own shit though. He ain't got shit to fuck with me with. So he can shut the fuck up with that shit. He can shut the fuck up with that.
He'll see. Hey, hold up, man. It's on camera. 5 on 25, low.
Lock it in.
Lock it in, low.
Here go
Don't
my
let him
500
talk
right
shit.
here. Look.
500 right
Here
here.
go my 500.
He want 5 on
Look,
25.
here go my
Mr.
500.
Ignorant ass nigga.
500 on
You don't
25.
even
500.
You want my Tahoe
Hey.
things? Well, put put the fucking 500 up.
God damn, hey, look. Don't let this nigga have this fucking Don't let this
He said, don't let this ignorant ass.
Two passes already.
4 pass, and it's spinning on everything.
Oh, man. I got the sticky pickle in the trunk.
Tires, the trunk is factory pumped out.
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Don't let them not know more.
Let me get this glue. Dang, it's lacky. You know it'll be tripping sometime. Huh? Oh yeah.
It was blown way out here.
Dang.
I moved it. It was down there, but I put it back up.
I don't know what. I need some help with it. You gonna help me later on? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get.
You need something to tie it over with.
Okay, I got some. Hey, look out! Hey, y'all, we got that sticky pickle up here, man. Yeah, we got that sticky pickle. He said it. Y'all heard him say he spent 4 passes. We're gonna put that down to see if it makes how good that old sticky pickle work. It's a glue shortage in Canada. It's a glue shortage in Canada, y'all. Oh, that line getting long.
886, and it's spinning like a motherfucker.
Damn.
It's spinning like a motherfucker.
Look out. Yeah, me and him next. Yeah.
He got a new setup.
Oh, you got a new setup? Yeah. Yeah. I see you got that hood. Okay.
Who, me? Quit.
What you in?
I need a little test.
I'll do something with that truck. You can
Get right. Back. What
I'll
wanna
tell you
do?
what. I'll give you the back tire and the head, and I'll have Funkertown in the car recording it.
God,
Now, how about I go home and come back and we
Nah, I'll tell you what.
Let me pick the two
Lead
people.
3 people.
Listen,
Hey,
let me
what
pick
though,
the 2
look
people.
out.
Well, he don't want Blackjack in there. He too
Let
little.
me pick the 2 people to go in the car.
Let's get Funkertown, and goddamn, I even put Cody in that motherfucker.
Yeah,
I'll
but
put
let me go
Cody
pick
in
the
there.
2 people.
Nah, Funkertown